Question 1. Zach. Through the streets of Rome, enjoying the morning sunshine. Zach walked through the streets of Rome, enjoying the morning sunshine. Question 2. He stopped at a cafe and ordered espresso. He stopped at a cafe and ordered an espresso. Question 3. The cafe was small but decorated. The cafe was small but beautifully decorated. Question 4. Zach paid for his coffee and left a tip. The jar. Zach paid for his coffee and left a tip in the jar. Question 5. Zach left the cafe and began the city. Zach left the cafe and began roaming the city. Question 6. Zach stopped at a souvenir shop and a postcard. Zach stopped at a souvenir shop and bought a postcard. Question 7. The shop assistant. Him with a big smile. The shop assistant greeted him with a big smile. Question 8. Before leaving, Zach asked the shop assistant if she recommend a good place for lunch. Before leaving, Zach asked the shop assistant if she could recommend a good place for lunch. Question 9. She suggested a local restaurant she had recommended to tourists before. She suggested a local restaurant she had recommended to many tourists before. Question 10. Zach decided to walk there. It was quite far. Zach decided to walk there even though it was quite far. Question 11. When Zach arrived at the restaurant, a table near the window. When Zach arrived at the restaurant, he chose a table near the window. Question 12. The waiter came to the table and him the menu. The waiter came to the table and brought him the menu. Question 13. Zach ordered his favorite food. Is pizza. Zach ordered his favorite food, which is pizza. Question 14. While for his meal, he took some photos of the restaurant. While waiting for his meal, he took some photos of the restaurant. Question 15. After taking photos, Zach thought he tried the seafood pasta instead. After taking photos, Zach thought he should have tried the seafood pasta instead. Question 16. After lunch, Zach walked a large fountain in the city square. After lunch, Zach walked to a large fountain in the city square. Question 17. He stopped to take a photo of the clear water and the statues. He stopped to take a photo of the clear water and the statues. Question 18. A street musician was playing music near the fountain, which made the place feel more. A street musician was playing music near the fountain, which made the place feel more lively. Question 19. Zach listened for a few minutes before away. Zach listened for a few minutes before going away. And the final question. He continued his walk, happy to more of Rome. He continued his walk, happy to explore more of Rome. How many did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English quizzes. And thanks for watching.